Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So we have two winners. As you guys remember, on Saturday on this channel, we had a little, very small giveaway, and these are the two winners. So congratulations to the two, and I will be getting their inserts out ASAP so they can enjoy them. And thank you to everybody who participated. Okay, so we're going to talk about two little freebies. The first one is the $1.99 Kellogg's cereal. They have a whole host of flavors, but the specific one that gives back the best return on investment, or the best, you're going to get the best bang for your buck, literally, is to get the Frosted Flakes marshmallow, that one. But they have a whole bunch of different ones. So if like the plain Frosted Flakes is your favorite, by all means go for it. What I would recommend is to go to your Ibotta account and see if you might have some rebates, because there might be a little bit of extra money back for you. So if you were so lucky, I believe last week this coupon showed up, which was a $2 off of one 10-ounce or larger, and those $1.99 boxes basically make it completely for free. Shout out to Savvy Rican Diva over on Instagram. She was showing this yesterday afternoon. So that coupon for $2 will get reduced down to $1.99. And as you can see, I bought a dollar back when you buy this. The only caveat, though, is if you look at the bottom of Tony's mouth, it says 17 hours left. So you're kind of marching against a clock if you want to do the Ibotta rebate. If not, you can do this anytime in the week. So grabbing a box of the Frosted Flakes marshmallows, $1.99, subtracting that $2 digital, you're left with paying nothing. And then submit that dollar to Ibotta, so it would make it free plus $1 money maker. So how fantastic is that? And if you do not care about the Ibotta money, you can do this anytime in the week. So hopefully you loaded that one last week. Unfortunately, guys, I didn't even load it last week. So I'm kind of with a lot of you who are like, oh gosh, I don't have it. But there's another deal with cereal as well. So this week, I believe you can load this one, which is a 2 off of 3. And you might have to search for it. So look for the cereal and then manually search for this coupon. Pretty easy to do. You just look below the item to see if anything's attaching. And this has been showing up, but you have to manually look for it. We have the dollar back on the Frosted Flakes. So I hope you can see where I'm lining this up. The limit for this is 5 as well. And you got to do this one today. Grabbing 3 boxes of the Frosted Flakes marshmallows at $1.99 a pop, that's $5.97. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're left with paying $2.97 out of pocket. Then Ibotta has $1 back, which you can do up to 5 times. But since you're buying 3 boxes of cereal, you'll get your $3 back, essentially making it free. Now another little freebie is with these $2 Christmas cards by Hallmark. They're the taller ones that you can put money or a gift card in. They're exactly $2 on the nose. We have a $2 off of one digital coupon. Again, you're going to have to search for that one manually because the 2 off of 2 one is popping, not this 2 off of 1. Subtracting that digital, you're paying nothing, getting the card completely for free. This is once per account, as is the cereal. It's once per account as well. All digital coupons are of a one-time use. And if you have any issues where your digital coupons are not coming off, because I know a lot of us are having these issues, don't be shy to call customer service for a little bit of assistance. Once you've purchased these items, there's a record, plus you've loaded those coupons at one point. So they will have to work with you to give you the Walgreens cash on your store card if you did in fact purchase it. Okay, so back to this monster, $10 off. This is a very misleading coupon because online you can use it right now. In store, I don't believe it's working right now. You have to buy $20 of beauty merchandise. It's not written anywhere. And you will get your $10 of cash after you spend your 20 bucks. So a couple of you went online yesterday, had a lot of success with it, including a subscriber who shared a deal with me, and I went and did the deal this morning, and it works. So this one is like a booby trap because the verbiage on the little Walgreens coupon is very confusing, and I didn't understand it, and I think a lot of you didn't understand it. So hopefully you could follow my lead with what I just explained. I'm assuming you'll be able to use it in store later. It has to be for beauty stuff. You got to get to $20. You will pay your $20 and then you will get $10 back. So it's not exactly a 10 off. So whomever wrote this, I mean, hire me and I will write the verbiage and all the specifics of your digital coupons, because I think this one is a hot apple fail. And even if you go into the fine print, there was some sort of email that a couple of you received. I never saw it, and it had all of the information, but it's not in the coupon. So it is kind of like confusing. So I'll just show you a quick deal I did online, and I'm very happy with this online deal. Okay, so last night, a subscriber by the name of Eric or Erica, I'm not sure, it's a young lady's photo, but the name is Eric, sent me this deal, and I really appreciate it, and it actually balances out perfect. So these Neutrogena makeup towelettes, they are $6.79. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of promotions below it. Buy one, get one 40% off. Buy two, get $4 back of Walgreens cash. And then there's a 10 off of 30 promotion with the code gift TNTG. Great code. And then there's supposed to be a free gift, but I think we didn't qualify because we were a little short. But this actually gets you to get free shipping for this, not the free gift though. And there's a whole smorgasbord of savings here. I'll show you. So I had this shipped to my house. I did not have it. You can do a pickup in store or a ship to your house. My store, they usually don't have a lot of stuff, and then they might have 3, but having 6 of these, I thought that was kind of a long shot. So I'm like, I'll just get it from the warehouse. So that's what I did. I had it shipped to my home. So you have to put 6 of these in a basket. Pretty easy to do. And then at checkout, you're going to apply the code gift NTG, whatever that is. And then also you're getting your free shipping. So it's going to reduce it down to like $20 and some change. Now, you have to pay cash for this. My understanding is that to get your $10 back of Walgreens cash, you have to pay for a balance, like a spend one. And that's what I did. And maybe I'm a little chicken about it, but that's what I did. So it was $32.58, subtracting that weird code. I have free shipping. So $22.58. And then if you look down below it at this page, it'll say, hey, you earned $22.32. So how this shakes out, guys, is that $4 back when you buy 2. Since I bought 6, I'm getting 12 back. And then $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. Well, that's the 22. That's how I'm getting it. And then I also qualified for free shipping. So I think if you used Walgreens cash to pay this down, you wouldn't get it back, but I might be wrong, but I would pay cash if I were you, just because if you have to argue this one with customer service, return it, cancel it, whatever, it's just a little bit more in your favor if you pay cash. And I haven't figured out this whole Walgreens cash, like backwards, forwards, inside out, like balance rewards. It is a bit of a learning curve. And usually whenever they have something to get something, you have to usually spend cash for your balance. So that's where I'm grasping this. But who knows? I might be completely wrong. So how this works, guys, is I've placed in my order, they receive the order, and once they put the order together and then mail it off to me, or UPS it off to me, what'll happen is at that point, the day that I get the email saying, hey, your items have been shipped, here's your tracking information, that $22 of Walgreens cash will be put onto my store card. It's not instantaneous. It's after the order has been fulfilled. So hopefully you could follow along if you want to do this deal. I mean, like 6 things of makeup wipes for free. Yes, it's a little bit out of pocket, but still a fantastic deal. The free card, the free cereal. There's tons of deals to be had and found. And the 5 off of 8 or 5 off of 10 Walgreens coupon as well, that goofy one. I believe it starts on December the 1st. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.